Welcome to Looker Beginner Series. Myself is Raju Prabha. In today's class, I'll be discussing about what are the prerequisites to learn Looker BA, which means what are the technologies that we should have learned already, to start learning Looker BA. So, we to learn Looker BA, right? We no need to learn any other BA tools, which means we have a lot of BA tools in the market, which are Power BA, Tableau, ClickSense, ClickView, MicroStrategy, and so on. But we no need to learn those technologies to learn Looker BA. But for Looker developer, SQL basics are very important. So without SQL knowledge, it is very hard to understand the Looker. So and we no need to learn all the topics which are available in SQL like stored procedures, triggers, etc., which were part of PLSQL. Instead of that, we should cover all these topics to understand the Looker very well, which means writing SQL select queries, aggregate functions which are sum, average, min, max, and also where classes, group by classes, and having classes. Apart from this, we should learn date functions because when you go for any analytics, date functions plays key role. That's why we should learn date functions. And giants are very important because in real time we should not query the data from always from one table always. We always join multiple tables. That's why we should learn SQL giants very well. Apart from that, we should learn ranking functions as well as qualify class. That's it about this class, and thanks for watching this video. We'll catch up in the next video.